Hi, good afternoon. I am Sivagami Priya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to talk about OS hardening management in cyber security. Okay, OS hardening means is nothing but it is the operating system hardening. Nowadays, the hacking, nowadays, every field they are hacking our personal data and um, particularly our data's username, password, everything they will hack from so many ways. So that is called hacking. In nowadays, the OS hardening management, it is nothing but it is the OS hardening is the process of strengthening an operating system security by minimizing attack points. Okay, though that is hardening management. Now, from this OS hardening management, how we are prevent the hackers and hacking. Okay, what are the security policies we are going to follow? That is the main thing. And the next one, OS hardening objectives. There are four objectives are there. The first one is attack surface. Attack surface is nothing but we are reducing the attacks. Okay, the first one is attack surface. The second one is security policies. I mean, username, password, strengthen password, access control. That is called as security policies. The third one is system integrity. Integrity means it's nothing but it is a privacy, confidentiality, integrity. Okay, that is called patching monitoring. Okay, that is called system integrity. The next one is unauthorized access. We have to prevent the third personality access, then reduce the third person authority. That is called key objectives in OS hardening. Okay, the next one, OS hardening techniques. The first one is security updates. The first one, security update, means we have to update every application and software. We have to update day by day or month. Okay, that is called security updates. The next one is user permission. User permission is nothing but implement the strict user permissions, role based access control, limit exploits, the reduce the risk. We have to example, we can give the unlimited access permissions, mean that is more chances to hack our data. So we have to user permission, it will give the limited access only, that is called user permissions. Okay, the next one is service management. Service management is nothing but disable unnecessary service. We can uninstall the unwanted application, that is called services, the application are running on the system to reduce the attack. Okay, whenever we are going to use the many applications or software, whatever it may be, we have to reduce the unwanted applications and software. Okay, the next one, importance of hardening. Breaches is nothing but the data are leakage from bitwise. Okay, that is called breaches. This is the some flow chart about hardening management. Okay, next slide. Key principles of OS hardening. Okay, there are many key principles of hardening. The first one is security configuration. Security configuration is nothing but it is a what we are going to give the security policies. Example, one-time password, then face recognition, then username. Some important questions like that is called a security configuration. The next one is user privileges. User privileges means we can give the only minimize user permission. We don't want to give unlimited permissions, because that time only we have to meet many hackers, so we can reduce the user permission. That is called user privileges. The next one is regular updates. We have to every applications or software, whatever maybe, we have to update day by day. Then only we can prevent the data from the hackers. The next one is firewalls enabled. Firewalls enabled means incoming, we can filter the datas, incoming and outgoing network traffic. Then only we can reduce the network traffic. Okay, the next one is disable unused services. Nowadays we are using many applications without usage, so we have to disable the unwanted applications or services. Suppose we are using one or two applications, means we can disable other applications. So that is called disable unused services. The next one is a regular backup. Regular backup is a very important one. Um, uh, um, Regular backup means we can conduct the frequent backups, ensure the data is recovery in emergencies. Suppose if any emergency means, we have to keep the data backup. So that is called regular backup. The next one is OS hardening techniques and tools. Okay, OS hardening technicals and tools means the first one is apply. Apply means first techniques apply. Apply the latest security patches and updates regularly. Daily we can update the applications or software. Okay. The next one is configure. Configure means it is firewalls. Unnecessary data means we can delete from the applications. The next one is disable. Disable also same meaning. Suppose we are not using that particular applications or software means, we can disable the services or protocol. Okay. The next one is audit. Audit user accounts and permission to ensure the lost privilege. Backup means backup critical data and system configuration regularly. The next one is a monitor system. Whenever we are going to log in, that time we can monitoring. It is the data are sending or not. If any traffics are there, okay, that is called a monitoring, logging and monitoring. This is also flowchart about the process management overview. Okay, the first one, identity, analyze, priorities, optimize, monitor, everything. Okay. The next one is task management fundamental. Task management fundamental is nothing but for the first one is define goals, priorities, task, allocate resources, set deadlines. Okay, define goal. We can establish the clear and measurable objectives for the task completion. That is called goal setting. Priorities task. After the setting the goal, we can priority, evaluate the task based on the importance of ensure. That is called priorities. Okay, allocate resources. After that priority or task, we can allocate the particular resource, the team members, and give the task. Okay. Next one, the fourth one, set deadlines. A deadline means it is the time frames for task completion for effectively. That is the last date for submission or task completion to maintain efficiency. Okay. The next one is monitor progress. Monitor progress is nothing but the regularly we can monitor if it is they are doing, if they are doing or not. In a proper way. Sir, if any errors means, we can reduce that. Monitor the process management. That is called monitor. Evaluate outcomes. Okay, evaluate outcomes means is nothing but we can evaluate about the task management. That is called evaluate management. The next one is integrating hardening with the management. These three uh, three parameters. The first one is policy, the second one is monitoring, the third one is implementation. Okay, the policy means we have to give the some guidelines ensuring the system security protocols are followed. The next one is implementation. Implementation is nothing but after that give the policy or guidelines, we have to implement the particular task management, that is called implementations. Whatever we want, rules and regulation, that is called implementation. The next one is monitoring. Once we are giving the implementation, after that we are monitoring, logging, then we can monitoring the continuously access the system or not. It is if it is running or not, that is called monitoring. Okay, the next one is a real world case studies on OS hardening. There are three parameters. The first one is problem faced, solution offered, benefits. Okay, the approaches. The first one, assess, evaluate the current security configuration and policies. The third one is we have to give the plan, develop the detailed plan for OS hardening measures. Implement the same thing. We can after that planning, we can implement what we are going to do. That is called implement. Okay, monitoring and maintenance.